The second most important principle of the Western civilization is equality. And they talk about gender equality. These are the things that, create doubts in people's mind, and that's why they become, they start raising questions against Islam, and they say, well, Islam doesn't promote equality. Equality is important between two genders. I usually respond that, what do you mean by equality? If equality between the two genders in being human, of course nobody can deny it. A man is as human as a woman. No difference. And if you're talking about responsibilities, then forget about equality between two genders. There's no equality within one gender. Just think about this. If you are the head of the family, your responsibilities are different. And if you are the head of the state, then your responsibilities are different and greater. Everybody in this crowd, I'm sure, ethically and morally, is far better than the head of the state today. But our responsibilities are much less than the responsibilities of the president of this country. He has more responsibilities. If you have a company and you have 100 employees working in your company, all the employees cannot be working on the same project. You need to have different departments. You have to have departments for communication. You have to have departments for networking. Different departments, an IT department. If every employee works on the same thing, the company will fail. It will stop producing. So this universe is like a company. And we are like employees. We are the slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, working for Him, submitting our wills to Allah. Then how can all of us be working on the same project? Our responsibilities have to be different. Men's responsibilities are different than women's responsibility. It's a common sense. So equality in responsibilities is completely illogical. And those who claim that there must be equality between the two genders in all the responsibilities, it is inconsistent.